General features of VKS Video Wall Controller. Hello everyone, ISEC modular based controller interface gives the real-time control operator in commercial, advertising, demonstration, exhibition, hospitality and other corporate sector. As well as we can get the real-time preview optimization from control PC or either a iPad. Simply launch the real-time interface. Multiple user can get the access by using a user management feature on our control software window page. So let's see how does it work. We can go to the user management page. So here we can create it user. Either we want to assign that person's all of the features, they can use it. This is our control module. Note that responsiveness, we can resize the display and window and move them around. Even double clicking, I can quickly enlarge the window. So let's try this one. Let's go to other features and get an overview. Custom screen order. We can customize the screen arrangement after installing the video wall controller. So let's see, we can go to this video wall page and we can see there is a page of custom screen order. So we can customize it. Signal clip. ISEC controller can clip the resources and get the detail enlargement. So let's try this feature. For example, we can drag one input signal here, and after that we can see they have written the logo of this name, input source. So we can clip this one signal. Let's suppose we can crop along y-axis. Alright, so that's how we can see signal will be cropped in our video wall. Support subtitle. Scrolling text to show news, notification or slogan. So we can show this feature. For example, we wrote something here and after that we can choose the font size. We can choose the color as well, and then either we need a background is other type of color or a transparent. So we can choose over there and then speed, and then even we want to upload along the video wall along y-axis and wherever we want, so we can upload from their axis, and after that we can upload. Base map. support background image. For an instance, if we want to upload on a whole video wall some sort of information in the form of pictures, so we can show them by base map. So we can try this one. We can go to the wallpaper and then we can browse. I can say I want to upload this one, and then we can just choose over there upload. iPad control. iSec controller can support iPad control and get the real-time preview. So we have an iPad and we can drag some signal here and we can get the real time as well. So that's how we can, and we can go to the other settings, like let's say I want to clear it and maybe I want to drag other input signals and I want to bring a top or bottom. I can choose over there, and even I can switch here as a full screen and I can call the scenes. Scene management. In this section, we can save the scenes, switch scenes, recall and recycle. So let's try this one. So firstly, we can drag some signal here and I can save this one. Maybe I can save and I can save this one. Okay, and after saving we can go to the scenes call. Maybe I can say I want to show all of the scenes with the effect of 2 seconds and I can start it. So after every 2 seconds the scene will be changed. And even we can go to the scenes features, and after that we forgot these scenes, so we can go to the preview settings and we can get the preview of that specific signal. Up to 4 video wall groups on a single controller and work with a variety of displays such as LCD, LED, DLP and projector. So let's go to the group settings and we can see we support the 4 groups here, and we can customize the group as well. So let's go to the group settings. Maybe I can say I want to customize it. This is the type of this group, and I can say I want to show 5x5 matrix, and we can see here each screen have 2 subs logic screens, and we can also mitigate the gap between 2 consecutive screens, and we can also adjust the output resolution. Pure hardware FPGA array modular design parallel video processing hardware system. Hot swappable input and output cards and redundant power supply, easy to upgrade and maintenance. We have variety of cards, so we can execute by mean of VGA, DVI, HDMI, CVBS, DP, SDI, SD-BASE-T, IP input as an input sources, and DVI, HDMI, SD-BASE-T as the output sources. Variety of control methods such as RS-232 network and compatible with third-party control device. So we can see how we can control by network and we can control by a serial port as well. So we can see there right now we are connected by network cable, and if we connect to here serial port, so we can also see here. Okay, and we can also see the third-party control device. Here we can see this is the third-party control device settings. One, two, three, start. Multi-user control management software can be set through operations authority according to the authority level to develop different operation function, different level, different operation privileges, and can be set up any output authority range. So let's try this one. We can go to the user management. We can add the authority. So that's the quick overview of VKS Video Wall Controller. We will show you other features in later video. Book a live demo in your time zone. Thank you for your attention.